We are happy to greet all our friends, all our customers who follows us, who buys with Livingstone Estates and who is just only searching the property to buy. Today we are proud to introduce this exceptional penthouse in the most prestigious complex in the heart of Estepona's new Golden Mile. This beautiful penthouse spread out over 250 square meters inside area and 177 square meters of the terraces. It is distributed on two levels. On the main level you can find two guest bedrooms, one of the guest bedrooms with a bathroom and suite and the other guest bedrooms with a bathroom with walk-in shower. This is a unique penthouse in this complex which has this separate extra dining area with its own wine cellar, with high wooden ceiling and with the exit to the large terrace with spectacular views of the sea and of the coast. On the upper level there is a beautiful master bedroom with a high wooden ceiling, with a bathroom and suite and with two sunny terraces. If you are searching for the beachfront property with the fantastic views over sparkling Mediterranean Sea, Gibraltar, Africa and mountains, then this property is for you. Come and see it.